Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So how you can disable a local user? Okay, so how you can disable the user, not delete. Okay, so how we can do that okay, so go to start bar and search here computer management. Okay, when you search the computer, you can see the computer management here. Open the computer management, click on the computer management. Okay, and now you can see here user and groups. Okay, click on user and groups and click on users. Okay, so now you can see we have all users here. Okay, these users are local users. Okay, so you can see I have a guest user in. Okay, so it's already enabled. Okay, so how you can disable it? Right click on user and go to properties. Okay, and you can see here account is disabled. Okay, check this option and apply and okay, and that's it, your account is disabled. Okay, so if you like this kind of video and please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.